Hello friends, today I want to discuss IUPAC name. So friends, before my discussions, I want to give some information which is very important for IUPAC naming. Functional group, prefixes, word roots, depicts number of carbon atom in the chain. When we will naming a organic compound with a functional group, then we need to learn prefix word root, primary suffix carbon. We need to know primary suffix carbon. That implies carbon multiple bond is observed in longest chain. Secondary suffix decided by functional group. Functional group are specific grouping of atoms within molecules that have their own characteristic properties regardless of the other atoms present in a molecule. Common examples are alcohols, amines, carboxylic acid, ketones, and ethers. Here I show some functional groups. One is alkane. Alkane means carbon has only one bond. Alkene, the carbon has 2 bond. Alkyne, carbon has 3 bond. And benzene ring means phenyl. Amine, alcohol means OH, ether. Alkyl halide, thiol, aldehyde, ketone, ester, carboxylic acid, amide. So friends, you see that alkanes is the alkane is the suffix ane. This is the suffix alkane. Alkenes, ene, alkene. And alkynes, yne, alkyne. And alcohols, in case of alcohol, then it is all is the suffix. But in case of this is the alcohol, in case of alcohol we get the suffix is all, and prefix is hydroxy. So friends, you have to learn both, that each element, alcohol, in case of alcohol suffix is all and prefix is hydroxy. And ethers is ether. When we write ether, then we use this symbol ROR, and ether is ethoxy ethane. Prefix is, in case of ether we get prefix is alkoxy. Now carboxylic acid. So friends, carboxylic acid is very simple, RCO2H. Carboxylic acid suffix, we use that suffix is weak acid, and prefix is carboxy. So carboxylic acid, we see that the suffix is weak acid and prefix is carboxy. So we need to learn prefix and suffix both, because when we will discuss when we will write the IUPAC name, then we need to learn when we will use suffix and when we will use prefix, and also we have to learn carbon bond means word we have to learn. So next is amine. In case of amines, then it is the name is NH2 prefix. So friends, we see that amine group, amine group is amines is in here. Here is the amine groups. So whatever you see that it is the suffix is it amino, suffix is amine, suffix is amine, prefix is amino, and in case of number one amine group. And now I will go to discuss aldehyde. Aldehyde group is in here. Here is in aldehyde. So aldehyde group suffix is aldehyde group suffix is al, and prefix is formyl. And next group is ketone. I say ketone is very important. Ketone suffix is 1 and prefix is ketone, prefix is keto. And another factor is phenol. Another line is phenol. Phenol group is, this is the phenol, and it is also all. All is the suffix is all. So friends, our phenol group is, this is the phenol groups, and this is the our suffix, and all is our suffix. And next is our ketone. Also I have already discussed. This is the ketone, and suffix is 1 and prefix is keto. And carboxylic acid I have also discussed. This is the oic acid, and this is the CO2H. And after another is the ester is very important. Ester functional group. Ester is the suffix is ATE. Okay, suffix is ATE, and methyl acetate. Example is methyl acetate. And next is carboxylic acid. I have already another is nitriles. Nitriles is RC triple bond N. And this is the nitriles, and the suffix is nitrile. So friends, you have to remember all the prefix and suffix. I have already discussed, and this is also nitriles. Here is some list, and nitro compound. When the nitro compound is added, then nitro compound is, this is the nitro compound. This is the nitro compound, NO2 nitro compound. So the suffix should be nitro. Suffix is nitro. So this is my total discussions. One is amine. I have already discussed amine, aldehyde, ketone. Ketone is very important. Phenol is very important. Ester, nitriles, and another is nitro. Nitrile group. Nitrile is the suffix. Nitrile groups. Nitrile is also suffix. Another is nitro groups. Nitro compounds. This compound is called nitro compound. So friends, this is I have discussed total H2OH. So friends, this is a very simple problem, but as we have learned this, but you also see my first video based on IUPAC. There I discuss without functional group. Now I start with functional group. So how can I can write this kind of problem? C H, and after that this is the O H. You can write, and this is this way I can write. So friends, you will see that CH2OH and CH2OH. So this is the total. This is my I create this problem. This is the structure of this organic or organic compound formula. So I can write this way. So this structure I can create. So you see that here is two carbon. So 2 carbon means eth, obviously eth. 2 carbon means eth, and here you will see 1 2. I can write, and in 1 2 both are same because both have same functional group. So whatever I see that 1 2 1,2 all, eth 1,2 all, and here you can see that it is the not all. Here you will see that 2, you can see that 2, here you can see that there is a 2 all means 2 alcohol, so OH group, so it is diol. This is diol. So eth 1 2 to diol. So let's start. I will write eth 1, 2 diol. So friends, I discussed that this is the eth. Eth means, what is the eth means? Word root. We need to know word root. And this 1 2 is the single bond. This is the single bond. And diol means this portion is functional group. So first I have to write word root, after that single bond, and after that functional group, and prefix I will put in here prefix after that word root, after that, but here I do not see any prefix. So my first way is word root, after that second single bond, after that functional group. This is the structure. This is the name of this compound. Now I shall go to the next problem. Number second. This is my first compound name, eth 1 2 diol, and second compound name is 1. I will numbering this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this can be written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But my priority, this is OH is my priority functional groups, priority functional group. So OH means all is my priority. So I will take, this is the lowest number. So 3 is the lowest, 6 is the largest. So I will remove this numbering I will not take. I will take this numbering. So 1 2 3. So 3 is my first priority, and 6 is my second. So how can I write? I write this way: 6 methyl octane 3, 6 methyl octane 3 all. So friends, this is the second example, 6 methyl octane 3 all. So here you will see, whatever you will see, 6 methyl is the prefix. Here I will mention that this is the prefix, and this portion octane is my word root, and 3 all means in here, and n is my, here is octane, oct is my word root, and n is my, what is the n? N is my primary suffix. Primary suffix means the bond of the carbon bond means single carbon bond, so that it is the primary suffix. And 3 all means this is the 3 all means this is the 3 all means functional group. Functional group means secondary suffix. I have already discussed the example with the problem. Examples also I discussed the functional groups, suffix and suffix, and how we use, how to write IUPAC name. name 6 like this is the carbon compound, and how to write this is the how to write IUPAC name of this carbon compound with the help of prefix, word root, and primary suffix and secondary suffix. So friends, now the condition in the case of polyfunctional compounds, one of the functional groups is chosen as the principal functional group, and the compound is then named on that basis. So friends, now if we will see that you can see that when the function is so much compound, like this is the one of the example, HO CH2 CH2 whole 3 and CH2 CO CH3. This is a compound. So friends, whatever you see that here is the so much compound. One compound is OH compound, another is CO compound, and therefore so the name is the difference. So I have to give a priority. Which priority? The first option is carboxylic acid. When I will see that carboxylic acid, then by the compound is then named on the basis, means this is the principal function. This is the order, is the decreasing order. This is the decreasing order. First is carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid I will choose, and I will take it as a principal function groups. It is the principal functional group, carboxylic acid. After that, ester. After that, acid, halide, amide, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, thiol, amine, benzene, alkane, alkyne, alkane, ether, alkyl, halide, and nitro group. So friends, we need to practice so much. If we will practice, then we can solve this kind of problem. So friends, whatever you see, this is one example. This is one of the example. So how can we write OH CH2 minus CH2? It can be written this way, friends. I can write CH2 number 1 and 3 plus 1 4 are 4 and CH2 5 and 6 and 7. CO is another is 7. So friends, 7 carbon. So I write CH2 and this is the CH2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 C, and another is CH2. It can be written this way, and after that you will get this is the another way. So friends, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This way I can count, and after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So my total way, it can be written this way, but my functional group, which is the first, you will see that whatever I write, COO, ketone is the first. Ketone is the first priority. My priority is ketone. After that, alcohol is my second. Alcohol group is second priority, means OH group is second priority. So first priority I will give. So 2 is the lowest number, so I will take it this. So how can I write? I write so my prefix is this portion is my prefix. So I can write 7 hydroxy 7-hydroxy hepta, because this is the 7 carbon, so it is hepta. Heptane, so not any because here is only one, so heptane 2 1 is the ketone group, so this is the compound is named on that basis, so it is the name on that basis one. So 7-hydroxy heptane 2-one, this is my compound, this is my total, this is the compound name, is the IUPAC name, this is my IUPAC name. So I hope I can clear this concept, because we understand that ketone is the first position, so ketone is my functional group. So I have already told that which is the prefix. You will remember that I have already in the first lectures I have already told the prefix is important, so prefix is in here, and after that I need word root. This is my word root, and this is my primary, and this is the n is my hept is the word root, and n is my primary suffix. I have already discussed what is the primary suffix and secondary suffix in my first, and after that one is the secondary suffix. So I can clear that suffix. What is the primary suffix, what is the secondary suffix, I just cleared this concept. So friends, this is my first example, and next example is second example I have to give. So I think I can clear